Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Milton Walker. NCB is selling its Advantage General Insurance Company to three different entities. The sale of the company is expected to bring $6.6 billion for NCB. Sagicor Investments is to take the largest share, a 60% stake. It will expand Sagicor's insurance portfolio into the general insurance market. Advantage General's current CEO, Mark Thompson, is also to take a stake through his entity, Fundy Bay Equity. He will hold a 34% stake in the new company, while the other 6% will be held by businessman Donovan Lewis through his company, Resource in Motion. The sale is subject to regulatory approval. Epley has launched an IPO for its Caribbean Property Fund company. Through that IPO, the entity is seeking to raise $4.5 billion. It has priced shares in the offer at $46.18 each and says it will use the funds to purchase 5 properties. The offer opens on June 21 and is scheduled to close on or before July 12. Blue Power recorded increased sales and profits for its financial year ended April 30. Sales for the 12 months were up by 10% to $1.7 billion. At the same time, Blue Power recorded net income of $23 million. To currency trading now, it ended today with the US dollar selling for $130.67. The Canadian dollar is going for $101.19. It now costs $166.13 for the pound, while the euro is going for $50.71. Stocks ended mostly higher today, pushing the JC index by more than 12,000 points. The junior market, on the other hand, lost 18 points. The top performers of the day were Jamaica Stock Exchange, Key Insurance, Radio Jamaica, NCB Financial Group, and the Scotia Group. The worst performers were Siboney Group, Lasco Financial, Sterling Investments, iCreate, and Jetcon. That's the Financial Week. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.